Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is the 1st of August. Um, Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about today's farm. Doing this slightly out of order in that I'll show you a short clip from my thing now. But this is Pascal's triangle, so maybe I'll re-show it tomorrow. Actually, maybe I'll just show it tomorrow instead. It's easy. No one's going to be here. Yeah, first day of August is Pascal's triangle. Let's get to it. Given it, return the first number of rows. I think they even show you in the visualization, and I think it's very critical to learn just in general. Not necessarily like Pascal's triangle, though it comes up a lot, right? In combinatorics and counting, and just comes up a lot. But the thing that I would say is also that, yeah, it is just like a very basic dynamic programming thing. It comes up in a lot of places. You can see like how the paths go and stuff like that, and you have a DAG and you play around with different things, and there's just a lot of good things that comes of it. So let's kind of get started. I don't know that there's too tricky things, right? So maybe I do something like this, right? And I just start with one element, and then that's really it. And then, I got a new keyboard, so I'm still like trying to figure out if because my old keyboard broke, which is actually kind of sad. But I'm trying to, if you're nerds like me, and I don't mean to say that in a mean way. If you're nerds, then you know that like sometimes, you're just kind of getting used to the keyboard, and I'm like banging on it and just trying to figure out like how hard to press it and stuff like that. So some keys sometimes don't come out, so we'll see what happens. In any case, yeah. So then now, I think this is it, right? Yeah, maybe we start on so then now, and maybe this is actually right. Then ends up, we want to new thing, and then yeah, that append it'll be so R is going to be equal to say the number above, right? And the number to the left, right? So yeah, so that's basically it, right? So something like this, right? Oh, oops, it's -1 on I. I don't know why today I'm drawing something like this, but of course, this may go out of bounds, so that's why we kind of voted in this funky way. So yeah, if J, right, and then yeah, something like this, and I think we're okay. I don't know how I did it last time. Maybe it's off by 1. I -1. Isn't that right? We start at 1. Man. I don't know, maybe I'm going too fast. I don't even know what's going on. Why? We have I-1, right? This has now I'm kind of confused. Where do I? Oh, that's why. Because this is easy typo to make. At least for me, because I make a lot of things. Still another typo. I is no, this should be right, unless I'm off by 1. Yeah, this is okay. So yeah, oh. I guess this is just no. It's right. Oh, I guess is it I-1 or is that I-1, but is it J-1? I always think of it, but I don't know. I'm the guy saying that you should be way prepared for this, and I'm just like out of shape on this. And honestly, it's just because I'm doing all these funky things. I think the way that I would write it, just pre-allocate the space, and maybe that's a little bit less, obvious. Because the idea here is that you just kind of write it out, right? the way that, and indexing is a little bit trickier than the visualization there, but you can imagine that you have like 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. So then now this is more obvious what it should be, because this is just this number and the previous number, or this number is this number plus this number. This one is this one plus this one, and then this one is just this one, right? And then you have 1, 2, 3, 3, 1. But yeah, so I guess, yeah. For some reason I didn't think that that's a thing, but yeah. Something like this, I suppose. Is it off by 1? Maybe off by 1, actually. Maybe not. So yeah, I mean, you know, once this fits to input, it shouldn't be. What was the biggest they want? 30? I mean, like, you know, then it should be right. But also, you could just test for 30 because, you know, you could take a look real quick and it looks okay. Give a quick submit. No silly mistakes this time, hopefully, and we are Gucci. Yeah. Given, I mean, complexity is a little bit tricky, right? Because you can say that this is n and this is n squared, but n squared doesn't mean that it is quadratic in the input size, because the input size is, you know, not n. The input size is 2 to the n, right? Sorry, the input size is log n, so then that makes your algorithm kind of like exponential, right? Because your input size is the number of bits representing the number n and not just the n, right? But anyway, people don't really talk like that anymore. But I don't know. I feel like, yeah, let me know in the comments. That's all I have for this one, though. Let me know what you think. A lot of silly mistakes aside, that's all I have. We got the premium problem next, so I'll probably do that. So yeah, have a great week/weekend, everybody, and month. Let's go get it. Let's do it. Stay good. Stay healthy to commend your health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.